Students who were highly thoughtful in expressing their high school experiences and have earned the privilege of speaking before you tonight. Delivering our first address is Leah Steverson, followed by Camden Gudgel for our second address.
Good evening, families, friends, staff, and most importantly, the main event, the graduating class of 2026. If there's one thing I learned about high school, it's this. Every single one of us had to become someone just to make it through. Some of us became the one who held everything together, even when the world around us seemed to be falling apart. Others became the one chasing perfection, like it was the only thing that made them worthy. There were even those quiet and disconnected individuals who would have rather hidden altogether. Regardless of who you were, it might have been a role you were playing. Maybe it was because you wanted to, or because you felt like it was something that would push you to survive these last 4 years. I mean, these past couple of years have been spent questioning who we needed to be and how we were going to push ourselves to reach this moment, the edge of adulthood. But today, as we sit here on the edge of everything we're about to become, the question is finally changing. We're now left wondering, who do I want to become? Behind all that questioning, there was always a real person. Someone who doubted themselves, someone who felt pressure they didn't always talk about, someone who every day was quietly trying to figure out where they belonged. And maybe that's something we don't always give enough attention to. We didn't just grow academically, we grew emotionally, spiritually, and personally in ways that go far beyond percentages and grades on a transcript. We learned that strength isn't always loud, but sometimes it looks like simply not giving up. And that kind of change, it doesn't happen by accident. It happens through moments we didn't always choose, but still had to rise through. So no, we're not leaving here as perfect people. We're leaving as people who have been shaped, stretched, and strengthened, and that matters more. The reality we've been anticipating all our lives won't be perfect, but it will be real. It will ask us to adapt and to be resilient. You know why redwood trees grow to be so tall and strong? Because they've learned to bend and move with the forces trying to break them down, or bring them down instead of breaking because of them. So, as we step into this next chapter, whether it's college, careers, or even couch surfing, I hope we carry this with us. We are not who we had to be. We are who we are still becoming. That means we get to redefine ourselves. We get to dream bigger than we did before. We get to walk into rooms not as the person we felt pressured to be, but as the person we are choosing to become. Class of 2026, this is not the end of our story. This is the moment we finally take the pen into our own hands. So let's write something bold. Let's write something honest. Let's write something that not only reflects where we've been, but who we are becoming. My final parting gift to you is this. Be strong and of good courage. Take the risks that may leave you with 1 cent to your name or even questioning who the hell you are. Make those bold and defining choices that your mom might reprimand you for, but as long as you stand firm in your truth and remind yourself you got through this hassle they call high school, you'll make it through whatever comes next. So congratulations, class of 2026. We made it. Steverson signing out.
Good evening, families, friends, loved ones, faculty, and most importantly, the graduating class of 2026. For those of you who don't know me, you probably know at least a piece of my work. My name is Cam Together, and if you've ever bought a popsicle from Mr. Del Toro's class, worn a spirit shirt, or even heard of FBLA, you're familiar with what I do. And while I stand here as a valedictorian, I also stand here as something else, a marketing student. From my first marketing class freshman year, we learned one simple concept. People are not all the same. Different groups, different interests, different passions. In business, we call it market segmentation. And as I reflected on this concept, I started wondering, what defines us? If I said the FFA school, or the school with the large band, most of you would immediately know who I was talking about. So I asked myself, what does it mean to be a Merced Bear? At first, I thought I had the answer. It was football. But while I'm beyond grateful to go to a school that has definitively the best football in the league, I then thought about our water polo champions, our academic decathlon, our battle of the books, our FFA, our fashion show, and everything in between. But none of those ideas fully captured it. So I did what any student hitting a wall would do. I clicked on one of my bookmarks to get some ideas flowing. Whoever is thinking it, no, it was not ChatGPT. It was Canva. My bread and butter, my partner in crime. Over 4 years, I filled that account with thousands of designs, but one thing more than anything else, flyers. Flyers for games, flyers for performances, flyers for meetings, fundraisers, and events you might not have known existed otherwise. Each one represented something different. Different people and different passions that lived within our school. And that's when it finally clicked. Merced High doesn't have just one identity. It can. We were never called to be just scholars or just champions. We were called to both. And more importantly, we're people who refuse to be just one or the other. In a world that constantly tries to put you in a box, define you, and compare you to everyone else, this school has taught us something different. You don't have to fit into one, even if the outside world tries to. They try to say Merced High is just athletics or just academics, as if we were only good at one. But we know better. We are the students who wake up early for academic decathlon to compete on a national stage. We are the tennis team practicing seemingly every single day of the year to stay CCC champions and now section champions. We are athletes, club leaders, photographers, leadership students, all existing at the same time, all shaping what this school actually is. What makes Merced special is not that we fit into one label. It's that we don't. We are complex, layered, and unapologetically, amazingly good at so many things. Merced High, as we leave this place, don't make the mistake of thinking your story has to fit wherever you're going. The world will try to label you. It will try to reduce you. One major, one role, one identity at a time. But what we have learned here is that you don't have to accept that version of yourself. Because we weren't built to conform to one thing. We were built to carry more than that. More than one interest, more than one talent, more than one version of who we're supposed to be. And maybe that's what Merced High really gave us. Whether the next step on your journey is the JC or UCLA, whether you're going to the trades or the military, they'll try to use one word. They'll try to put you in a box. But us, the students of Merced High, have never been just one word, and we never will be. You are everything you've done when no one was watching. You are every early morning, every late night, every moment you almost quit but didn't. You are a unique product of everything you have worked so hard to achieve. So as we leave this place tonight, don't lose sight of what made this place actually work. Different people all existing under one roof all pushing forward, but in their own unique way. And instead of that pulling us apart, it became something stronger than any single identity ever could. That's what I saw in every single flyer that I made. Proof. Proof that our identity didn't come from everyone doing the same thing, it came from everyone doing their own thing with everything that they had. So as you step into whatever comes next, don't be afraid of what makes you different. Don't hide it, don't dilute it, don't conform just to make yourself easier to understand. Because the truth is, everything we're proud of here started with someone choosing not to be like everyone else. So don't be afraid to be different. Be proud of it. Because that's exactly what made us successful in the first place. In this place. Thank you all. Go be amazing.
Thank you, Camden and Leah. Please, 26 ASB President Alex Hampton to present the class gift to next year's Associated Student Body Vice President Bryce Jimenez.
Good evening, Bears. Tonight, the class of 2026 presents two class gifts. First, the class would like to present a crafted wooden wall of honor to commemorate those MHS students who have or are going to serve the military branch to honor their country. Each branch is honored beside a Merced High flag. Thank you for your service. And second, when it comes to our Friday Night Lights, our Orange Wave brings spirit and energy to all athletic events. The class of 2026 also presents a high-quality vinyl Orange Wave banner to keep the spirit going for every year that comes. Thank you.
On behalf of the class of 2027, I graciously accept these gifts. Thank you.
Thank you, Alex and Bryce. Merced High School students have achieved and excelled in a variety of areas. Many are wearing cords, stoles, pins, or medals to signify their accomplishments. When I call for the students to stand, please give them a round of applause as our students have worked very hard to succeed. First, there were over 329 scholarships awarded to pursue a post-secondary degree in college or university to students in the class of 2026. Combined, those scholarships totaled over $2.5 billion.
Hop on for me.
Students who have been awarded scholarships to
You know my
support their
password,
college
right?
education, please stand and be recognized.
2, 3. Where's Ziouv Tin? I'm gonna show you. Oh, she's right here.
52 of our graduates
Where?
earned a purple cord, which signifies a minimum of 250
Bro, I knew
hours of
that.
service to our community. Combined, these bears have completed a total of 17,332 hours of community service. Purple cord recipients, thank you for your service. Please stand and be recognized. Next, I would like to recognize the seniors who have earned a CTE Pathway Completer Cord. Career technical education pathways are all meant to help MHS graduates prepare for a future in an industry of their choice. This year, students who completed pathways in ag, graphic design, art, photo, business, child development, education, culinary arts, fashion, information tech, or med tech are all wearing an orange and white cord. Students, if you are wearing the orange and white CTE cord, please stand and be recognized. Thank you. You may be seated. Graduates wearing the black and orange cord are students who have served as members of Merced High School's Associate Student Body during their senior year. As members of the ASB, each of these students has completed over 250 hours of service organizing, planning, and implemented school-related activities. In addition, several students are wearing white and orange stoles, recognizing that they have served for 4 years in ASB. Your efforts are appreciated. Black and orange cord and white and orange stole recipients, please stand and be recognized. seated. RJL Plus student mentors volunteered for training, held peer restorative circles, participated in and hosted student conferences, mediated conflicts, hosted student forums, and individually mentored underclassmen at Merced High School. They've been trailblazers for a program that will continue to impact the entire student body for years to come. Seniors wearing the black and silver RJL Plus cord, please stand and be recognized. Please be seated. Earlier tonight, we listed the various accomplishments of our athletic teams. Much of our success is due to the commitment of our student athletes and the efforts they make to improve every year. Many of them have graced our fields, courts, and pool for each of the 4 years they attended. These students were awarded a 4-year athletic participation pin, which they proudly wear on their stoles tonight. Students with a 4-year athletic participation pin, please stand and be recognized. Thank you. Please be seated. The award-winning Merced Marching 100 has a long-standing tradition of excellence, and this year was no different. The Marching 100 continues to outperform and outclass the competition, and some of that success can be attributed to the student performers who are being honored tonight as 4-year Marching 100 members. Musicians and guard members with a pink cord, please stand and be recognized. Thank you. Please be seated. Way to represent, band. Good job. Students who are wearing white stoles have participated in at least 2 years of our AVID program, working to successfully complete UC and CSU application requirements. AVID scholars, please stand and be recognized. Thank you. Please be seated. Merced High School Academic Decathlon has become one of the most successful programs in our school's recent history. This year's senior class continued the strong tradition, winning the county competition and competing at the state level, where they finished second in Division II in the Super Quiz. Senior Academic Decathlon members, please stand and be recognized. Several students are wearing white robes, signifying lifetime membership in the California Scholarship Federation, an honor earned by qualifying in at least 4 of the 8 semesters of their high school careers. Some of our scholars in white robes are also wearing a gold stole. This stole signifies that they qualified for CSF all 8 semesters of their high school career. CSF students, please stand and be recognized. Thank you. Please be seated. And finally, I am proud to announce that some of our graduates have committed to enlisting and serving our country in the armed forces. Thank you in advance for your honor, bravery, and future service to our country, both here and abroad. Graduates who will be joining the armed forces, please stand and be recognized. Thank you. Please be seated. Mrs. Ham and Ms. Pellisier, the students seated before you have completed the requirements established by the State of California and the Merced Union High School District Board of Trustees. It is my honor to present to you the Merced High School graduating class of 2026.
On behalf of Merced Union High School District, I am proud to accept and congratulate the graduating class of Merced High of 2026.
There are a total of 440 students graduating in the class of 2026. Before we begin to introduce them, I want to take a moment to recognize one of our graduates who is not with us. Gracie Thompson was a remarkable young woman who left her mark on our community through a legacy defined by her passion, her commitment, and the lives she impacted during her time with us. Gracie exemplified what it means to be Bear Strong. She was a leader who brought others together, met challenges head on, set goals and crushed them, and inspired her peers to do the same. Today, as we reflect and celebrate on the end of the high school journey, we can learn from Gracie. Support one another, meet challenges with resilience, and remember that our goals are always within reach with hard work and with determination. We miss her, and we will continue to carry her and those lessons with us every day. Please join me in a moment of silence in honor of Gracie Thompson. Thank you. The first 82 graduates who cross the stage will also be draped with a gold cord. These students have maintained a GPA of 3.5 or higher every semester of their 4 years of high school. Students who will be draped with a cord, please follow directions of the staff.
No, she's right there still. First person, second.
Bream Amro.
Flory Lowe.
Christopher Anguano Silva.
Reina Lopez.
Madison Joe Bennett.
Gianna Stephanie Marroquin.
Caleb William Bruner.
Reese Zenobia Martinez.
Kaylee Anali Caballero.
Aiden Blake Zenchi Matsuo.
Sharon D. Powell Chuan.
Isabella Monette Medina.
Majella Gwen Chua.
Isaac Jordan Menchaca.
Vicente Cortez.
Elise Lane Metcalf.
Chloe Leanne Cullen.
Parth Mishra.
Vanny Dang.
Genesis Melody Moody McCoy.
Layla Jean DeSoto.
Valeria Sylvia Moran.
Joel Johan Davalle.
Ricardo Navarro.
Elizabeth Valerie Needham. Mariah Angelina Fuentes.
Joyce Ochoa.
Peyton James Garza.
Maricruz Olmos Aguayo.
Camden Dennis Guttel.
Brent George Parker.
She hasn't looked at him.
Benjamin Guerrero Jr.
Roland Gregory Rodriguez IV.
Damian Gutierrez.
Gagandeep Singh.
Lane Hamilton Dodson.
Natalie Solorio.
Alexander Jonas Hampton.
Aubrey Jane Supinger.
Ian Hansford.
Keon Austin Bolivia.
Austin Herr.
Sadie Green Beatty Van Dyke.
Joseph Hernandez.
Coy Gavin Wicker.
And Sophie Hoy.
Ezra J. Zion Winnick.
Trey Farai Jimenez.
Samuel Felix Zanzuki Hotham.
Kylie Jenny Anderson.
Jasleen Alicia Ochoa.
Shayla Nucci Barker.
Ryan Nicole Perez.
Brian Michael Anthony Benavides.
Did they come together?
Yasmin Monique Perez.
Marissa Renee Basie.
Rachel Purdy.
Janae Liana Casillo.
Marisol Elena Reyes.
Kayla Marie Damian.
John Romero.
Caitlin Diaz.
Jacqueline Rosas Antonio.
Parker Douglas Garrison.
Brian Seychell.
Eli Martello Rosari Ham.
Isaiah Ray Salmon.
Addison Grace Lazare.
Damaris Santiago.
Chloe Noob Lee.
Ow!
Lily Talaleo Tupa'ahi.
Alexander Levitt Lupien.
Ava Andrea Waldron.
Breed Bruce McCall.
Please join me in one more round of applause congratulating our gold card recipients.
Sylvia James Torres.
Jared Barrera Arroyo.
Michaela Angelina Lopez.
Catherine Ray Brown.
Ava Emily Ortiz.
Kayla Benjamin Duenas.
Case Osby.
Esperanza Marie Garcia.
That height, bro. I promise you this.
Tatum Lynn Pinner.
Raymond Gonzalez Arias.
Annalise Jasmine
It
Ramirez.
is not like that small.
Jacob Tua Kerr.
The ground's here, bro.
Cassidy K. Bain.
Keaton Hilliard.
Yeah, that is.
Malaya Cherie Robinson.
Kyra Nampham Intabong.
Evelyn Sanchez Jimenez.
Marina Morales.
Jalissa Trevino.
Nicholas Logan Adams.
Jimena Lozano Vallejo.
Diego Alfredo Aguilar.
Jacqueline Jada Garcia Lucas.
Isis Marina Aguirre.
Isia Machado Valero Ramirez. Lily
Yes,
Love
you would I have I
Macias.
sing along.
Georgia
Hả? Malay. Oh.
Miguel Pedro Alfaro. Vincent Almanza.
And you too.
Sorry.
Ariel Ann